Mastering W and R. A guide to pronouncing sounds at the beginning and in the middle of words. Hello, young learners. Today, we're diving into the world of sounds. Specifically, W and R. We'll learn how to pronounce them correctly at the beginning and in the middle of words. Let's start with W. W is like saying whoa, whoa. Imagine you're gently blowing air through your lips. Try it with me. Whoa, whoa. Great effort. Let's explore some words that start with W. Repeat after me. Water. Walk. Watch. Well done. Now, let's move on to R. R is a bit different. It's like a growling sound at the back of your mouth. Try making a gentle R sound. You're doing great. Now, let's try some words with R in the middle. Car. Star. Butter. Let's practice these words with R in the middle. Repeat after me. Car. Star. Butter. Excellent job. Now, let's try some more words to reinforce our learning. Mirror. Giraffe. Hurry. Purple. Fantastic. Keep practicing these sounds to become a pronunciation pro. Great work today. Remember, practice is key to mastering these sounds. Keep practicing your W and R sounds, and you'll get even better. See you next time.